If you speak to any smart multimillionaires and ask them about the 2007 and 2008 times, they will tell you that was their most profitable time. That is when they made most of their money. And there is an exact same opportunity right now sitting here in 2022. It is the recession. Look, recession comes and goes every now and then. But the people who know to use recession in their favor to make some good money and make some profits are the people who make millionaires. Recently, the US Fed announced that we are officially now in a recession. And this recession was due to the quantitative easing done by all the countries. India is at a good state right now. India's markets are almost near its all time highs. But if you exclude India's market and look at other markets, you'll realize that the situation is not as good as India all around the world right now. China is going through a crisis. USA is facing recession problems. UK is facing inflation problems, and all other small economies in world are getting crushed. Let me take you to Nasdaq's chart. And if you look at Nasdaq's chart, it is pretty interesting to see that there was a huge crash in 2000, back in 2000, when there was a huge crash in the market and the markets went up again. And then there was a period of recovery, and then there was a huge crash in 2008 crisis, and then the markets recovered again, and then there was a huge crash in 2019-18, the 18, 19 and 20 due to the COVID-19 crisis, and the market shot up again. And now there is again a crash in the market, and history is pretty evident that the markets are going to go up again. So we have the proof right in front of our eyes. We just have to use it properly to our benefits. Nasdaq's all-time high was around $15,000, $16,000 level. And if the markets start recovering, there is an easy 50 to 60% gain to be made. The first question is, if we invest our money right now, what is the proof that the markets won't go down anymore? And I firmly believe that the markets will recover from here. There is a different video on why I think the markets will go up. I will be tagging it right here. You can watch that and you'll get a pretty good idea about why the markets will go up in the coming time. So right now, the first thing you have to do is save up some money. Because if you don't have some money saved up, you're gonna miss a lot of opportunities like this. So the first thing you have to do is save as much as possible from your income. And the second thing you have to do right now is to increase your income. Look, saving is good, but increasing your income in order to your expenses is better. Your income line should always be higher than your expense line. There should be a significant gap between your income line and your expense line. Only then you can save up a good amount of capital to invest in these opportunities. Learn new skills, improve yourself every day to earn better, to save better, and to invest better. Look, it is a chain. Only when you earn more do you save more. And when you save more, you invest more and you invest better. And you never miss out on opportunities like this. Okay, coming back to the topic, recessions usually last from between 6 to 12 months. And this recession has been started for over 6 months. It's been more than 6 months that this recession has been started. So according to me, this is the best time anyone can start investing. And if you're investing already from years before, then invest more right now, and especially use the opportunities in the US market, in the crypto market, and in the UK market. Use those opportunities for your benefit. Just for an example, the Indian market, the Nifty 50 was trading at approximately 15,000 levels just few months ago, and right now it's almost at its all-time high. So it's pretty evident that stock markets always go up. It is just a cycle of up and down and up and down, and we have to try to enter in the down markets and sell it out and square off a position when the markets are up. Look, no one can predict the market. I can't predict the market. Warren Buffett can't predict the market. Goldman Sachs can't predict the market. The best of the best investors also can't predict the market. So the best advice or the best thing for anyone to do is to always to be invested in the market. Doesn't matter if it's a recession, doesn't matter if it's a bull run, just keep invested and you'll get your returns. There is a very famous quote which says, Be greedy when everyone is fearful, and be fearful when everyone is greedy. And right now, everyone around the world is fearful about what's going to happen to the markets, what's going to happen to all the economies. And this is the right time for us, the smart people, to be greedy and invest more. Do you know why always the rich get richer? Because they use these opportunities very wisely. If you look at any very wealthy person right now, you'll see that they are buying a lot of assets right now. They're investing heavily in stocks, they're investing heavily in cryptos because they know they can see the opportunity in front of their eyes and they don't want to let it go. But the poor stay poor because we let these opportunities pass just in front of our eyes. And this time, we are not gonna do that. The main reason why this recession started was due to the overprinting of money by all the governments across the world. And the US Fed has increased interest rates to fight against this situation, and which is working quite good. If you look at the inflation data, the inflation is reducing slowly. So it is just a matter of time that the US stock market will be on the top again. So if you want to make some good cash right now, start investing in the US markets. And if you like this video, share it here on and see you soon.